Palviya. He's joining us as well this morning. Rajesh, how are you viewing markets? What do you make of the move yesterday on the Nifty? Sustainable, you reckon?
Morning, Harsh. Morning, everyone. So it was
Good morning.
purely expiry day move, which we have witnessed in the previous trading session. Still, structure is on the bearish side as Nifty is trading below to all its key moving averages. Bank Nifty has shown some sort of recovery from its important support area of 100-day moving average. But still, if we go with the rollover data is clearly indicating that there is a short rollover in terms of Nifty. There is a decline in the rollover percentage compared to the last expiry as well as with the last 3 month average for the Nifty also. And again in the Bank Nifty also there is a lower rollover, which clearly indicates that long unwinding has been taken place in the Bank Nifty also. So market is still cautious despite of so much of sell off in the January series itself, and markets are in oversold trajectory, but the confidence is still weak in terms of indices. So we believe that Nifty may remain in the range, possibly the range for next couple of days would be around 25,400 on the higher side, and on the downside 25,000 would be the range for Nifty for next couple of trading session. Either side breakout or breakdown will decide the major direction from here onwards. And for Bank Nifty, 59,000 is the key level to watch for next couple of days. If we able to sustain above 59,000 level, I think then some recovery we could see in Bank Nifty further, and 59,600 to 700 would be the next trajectory for the Nifty. Even in the rollover side, metal has shown higher rollover. So here one can find out some opportunity on the long side. PSU banking basket is also showing sign of strength. So I think very few sectors where we could see some long rollover has been done. So very select stock specific opportunities there at this juncture ahead of the big event is lined up on this weekend.
Right. Rajesh, hi, morning. So curious to know what's the stock bias like this morning? What would you recommend to our viewers?
So two stock idea both on the buy side. First one definitely from the metal space. JSW Steel is looking attractive. The way stock managed to give breakout of almost 7-8 days consolidation range. We believe that JSW Steel can extend its gain. Possible target towards 1260 to 1270 we could see in the counter. So one can buy with stop loss of 1205. Another stock is from the banking space, and we like Federal Bank. The way the stock has closed on expiry day around 284 level, almost it's a series high point of January. So we believe that the outperformance is likely to be continue in Federal Bank, and we are projecting target of 295 to 300 on a positional perspective. So Federal Bank buy and accumulate with stop loss of 276.
Okay.
Right. Okay. That's that on some of the interesting stock ideas. But Kunal, what about your mid-cap strategies?
So I think from the mid-cap arena, I would look at something from the PSU banking name. Bank of India is something which I would recommend. Have been bullish on the stock in the last couple of days, and specifically with the breakout above 160 mark for Bank of India, it still looks very attractive, both on the daily as well as on the monthly charts. So we'd look at 170 as the next leg of a target for Bank of India. Stop loss could be kept at 159.
Rajesh, I wonder how you look at some of these quick commerce plays, an Eternal, a Swiggy, and maybe some of the other platform companies, if I were to just widen that ambit a little bit more.
So Eternal is still attracting, supply pressure, and now stock has broken the important support area of 280, 275 zone, which was very crucial for the counter. And I think breaking below 275 is attracting more supply pressure in this counter, as long-term trend has also, damaged on Eternal. So until the stock not crosses about 280 zone, I think trend is likely to exhibit on the bearish side, and maybe we could see further more pressure on any kind of minor pullback action. So I think one can find out the opportunity in minor pullback towards 265 to go short in this counter. On the downside could be the next target on the downside would be around 240, even 235 for Eternal. Even if I look at other platform company like Swiggy is also attracting the same kind of behavior, and the stock is continuously moving in down sloping channel on daily chart. Looking at the structure, series of lower top, lower bottom formation. So I think here also we could see more unwinding trade and possible down move towards 290 we could witness in the coming days. So here also one can find out the opportunity to go short in minor pullback action until the stock not able to regain above 340 zone.
Interesting. Okay, let's know whether you track KEI on the charts, but any reason to believe that the stock will see 50% of an upside in the next 12 months?
So yeah, so overall structure is bullish, but in the current month we have witnessed some profit taking at higher level, and stock failed to cross its previous all-time high trajectory in this attempt. Though after this corrective move, I think it's an opportunity. Those who are looking for investment for next 6 to 12 month kind of time horizon, they should buy and accumulate this counter, as overall long-term structure is bullish, and I think this correction is giving you opportunity to buy and accumulate the stock. I think 3650, 3600 are the next important support area for this corrective move. And if stock able to defend this level in this correction, I think again stock will attract some buying action at lower level. And once stock manages to cross above 4000 mark, I think here we could see again stock has potential to surpass its previous all-time high, which was at around 4700 kind of zone. And maybe we could see 5000 kind of level also. So buy and accumulate would be the strategy. Keep stop loss of 3600 if you are accumulating stock for next 6 to 12 month kind of time horizon.